Google's Pixel 9a is shaping up to be a game-changer in the mid-range smartphone market, and new renders have just revealed its sleek design and exciting color options. The Pixel 9a will be available in 4 stunning colors: obsidian black, porcelain white, iris purple, and peony pink. But the design upgrades don't stop there. Google is ditching the prominent camera bar for a more understated flush camera module, giving the Pixel 9a a refined and modern look. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is packed with impressive specs. It features a 6.3-inch OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset. With 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, this phone is built for performance. The camera system is also getting a boost, with a 48MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 13MP front camera. Plus, the 5,100 mAh battery supports 23W wired and 7.5W wireless charging, ensuring you stay powered all day. The Pixel 9a is expected to launch on March 19th, with pre-orders starting the same day and availability from March 26th. Priced at $499 for the 128 GB model and $599 for the 256 GB variant, the Pixel 9a is set to deliver exceptional value for its price. What do you think about the Pixel 9a's design and specs? Are you excited for its launch? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from TechVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.